Hello friends, and today we are taking another condition of continuous series, and that is unequal class intervals or unequal class distribution. Okay, so whenever in the question you will have unequal classes, then you have to make equal class first and then you can solve. As I told you before in my previous lectures that in every condition of continuous series, you have to simplify the question. After simplifying the question, you can get the simple form of the question and then you can calculate anything from that. Okay. So now in today's lecture, we are taking here the unequal class distribution into the equal class distribution, and then we will find out the mean here. Okay, so how to convert, okay, the unequal class into the equal class. So here I am taking an example, that is, if the question is like that, the class is given and the frequency is given. Okay, so the class is like 0 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 16, 16 to 19, 20, 20 to 21, 21 to 25. Okay, this class is given here and the frequency is given. So here you can see the class is having different differences. Okay, the difference is not same in every class. Okay, somewhere the difference of 1, somewhere is difference of 5, somewhere is difference of 2, 3, 4. Okay, so difference is not equal in every class. Okay, so that is the question of unequal class. So here you have to make that the equal class first and then you can solve that question. And the frequency is given, that is the normal frequency. Okay, that is not the CF, it is the normal F. Okay, so to converting the unequal class into the equal class, you have to keep some points in your mind. Okay, so here number 1, see the upper limit. Okay, you have to see the upper limit of every class. Okay, so you can see here the upper limit of first class 5, then 7, then 9, then 10, then 13 and so on. Okay, so you have to see the upper limit of the each class. Okay, and now you have to put here any table in the sense कि you know about the table of 2, table of 3, table of 4, table of 5. Okay, that is the trick. Okay, so you try to get कि what is the common difference should be there in each class. Okay, so if now I am taking the examples to explain you. If you will take the difference of 1, okay, so you should have in the upper limit 1. So no 1 is here, so you cannot make class with the difference of 1. Okay, then if you want to take the difference of 2, then you have to be the upper class with the 2. Okay, means in the upper class somewhere it should be 2, but you can see here कि in upper class 2 is not there. Okay, if you want to make the difference of 4 in each class, then you should have the upper class with 4. Okay, so 4 is also not here. Now if you want to make the difference of 5 to make the class, okay, so you can see here the first class itself having the upper limit 5. Okay, now you can make the class with the difference of 5 here. How? As I told you, you have to take a common table number. Okay, so now the class you can see I have highlighted some numbers here, which is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay, class wise. Now you know the table of 5, and that is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. Okay, so if, okay, think about it, if you will merge some classes, then you will find the equal class here. Okay, so under the unequal class distribution, you have to merge some classes with their respective frequencies. Okay, So you will merge and then make in group accordingly. Okay, so by this method you can make the unequal class into the equal class. Okay, now here I am taking that question for solving. So how to make how to make the unequal class into the equal class? Okay, so first class no need to merge. Okay, means the first class is having the difference of 5 with frequency 2. Okay, we will take as it is. Then the second class will be 5 to 10. Okay, 5 to 10 we will merge here 3 classes, 5 to 7, 7 to 9 and 9 to 10 with 3 frequencies. Okay, with 3 frequencies, that is 3, 4 and 2. You will merge that. Then next class you will merge the 10 to 13 and 13 to 15, 2 classes. Okay, with the frequency. Then for the next class you will merge again 3 classes, 15 to 16, 16 to 19, 19 to 20. Okay, and for the next you will merge 2 classes, 20 to 21 and 21 to 25. Okay, with the frequency. Now after merging you will have the classes like that. Okay, so the first class is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, then 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. Okay, and frequency also we merged here, that the first is 2, the second is 3 plus 4 plus 2 which is 9, then third is 10 plus 5 15, then fourth is 3 plus 4 plus 3 which means 10, and last is 5 2 plus 3 which means 5. Okay, so these are the equal class interval here. Okay, so after making the equal class, okay, you can calculate anything from the question, whether it is mean, mode, median, quartile, decile, percentile, harmonic mean, geometric mean, SD, QD, range, MD, anything. Okay, means the you need to simplify the question, and after that you can make or you can calculate anything from that. Okay, so now for your reference I am calculating here mean. Okay, so mean, I have made this table here, that classes are here, frequencies are there, and then for mean you need mid value. Okay, so by using the formula L1 plus L2 upon 2 you can get the mid values here. So 0 plus 5 upon 2 you will get 2.5, 5 plus 10 upon 2 you will get 7.5. Okay, so by this method you can get all the mid values here which will become x. Okay, and according to the formula of mean of direct method you need fx, so you will multiply f and x. Okay, so fx will come and then you will add all the fx, then you will get sigma fx, and you also need sigma f, so the total of f. Okay, now you will put the formula and put the values. Okay, the formula is x bar is equal to sigma fx upon sigma f, so that the fx, sigma fx is 547.5 upon 41. Okay, so, by that you will get the mean is 13.35. Okay, so at the end I can say here that if the unequal class is given there, so by using your common sense, okay, you should see the class properly. Okay, the unequal class properly, and try to get how much difference the classes will have. Okay, means which kind of or which difference the classes will have, so that you can make the new classes, equal classes. Okay, so by taking that difference you can make the equal class, and after making the equal class, after merging the classes, after merging the frequencies, you will get a equal class, and then you can find anything from that. Okay, anything from that means mean, mode, median, anything. Okay, then you will get the answer of that particular thing. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this lecture, in this topic, you can comment, and please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.